Kept you waiting, huh?
Hi, I'm Greg Cito, editor-in-chief of The Escapist, and I'm here with the legendary Hideo Kojima of Kojima Productions, and we're here to talk about Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes. So what has it been like developing for the PS4 for all the new capabilities in the open world that is able to be done with Metal Gear Solid?
Well, I
feel like I was finally able to create what I envisioned a while ago, more than open world, a real infiltration game, a more realistic approach to what is stealth and infiltration. I think that I was able to put that together thanks to the capabilities of the PlayStation 4 and also using the unique abilities of the PlayStation 4, the social elements, sharing abilities. It allows the game to be much more proactive towards a community, towards players with sharing with each other, and that definitely has helped me a lot with this game.
Interesting. So why have you decided to split up the two campaigns so that there's the prologue of Ground Zeroes as before the longer, more extended game?
本当はですね
So ideally, in an ideal world, we would have the prologue that is Ground Zeroes along with the main game. However, Metal Gear Solid 5 is a huge, very vast game that we're still developing. However, it's been 5 years since the last generation of consoles arrived. I definitely wanted to correspond to a lot of the fans asking for a piece of this Metal Gear Solid new experience. So we decided to launch Ground Zeroes within part of these activities.
When do you think we will be able to get the full Metal Gear Solid 5 experience?
Unfortunately, I still can't disclose that. It will be hopefully it will be soon enough, but I expect it to be ready by the time most people are already used to play the PlayStation 4 and its abilities.
So we're switching tracks to the actual gameplay that we saw in this demo. What did you think is the most fun new feature for Metal Gear Solid? For example, the bullet drop seemed really interesting, marking of people on the map. Seemed really immersive. So what has been the thing that you've loved implementing that you couldn't implement before in previous generations?
So one thing that I was able to put in this game is, in games so far, we were starting the mission when you were already in the base or whatever, and this time you have to think about how to get in, how to execute your mission, how to get out. This is the core of an infiltration stealth. In this case, for Ground Zeroes, you have to get in and execute your mission and get out in the helicopter. So thanks to this game being an open world game, the player has to sit down and analyze how to get in, what to get in with, what equipment, what to carry, what vehicles, what route. All these elements are in the core part of the infiltration. I always wanted to put this, and I was finally able to implement this in the game. And that's the fun part of infiltration, thinking from the very beginning how to get in, how to execute, and also thinking your way out. And that's the fun part of it, and that's something that I was finally able to implement in this game. And another thing that I expect to be in the final game, in the main part of the game, is that by clearing several missions, you will be able to create your own basement, to grow up your own basement and connect it with other people throughout the world, and having the freedom to go back and forth. I think that's one of the unique abilities, the social elements that I was able to put in this game that will be definitely fun, and I expect to have it ready by the next game.
Excellent, cool. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to spend with me. I can't wait to play Metal Gear Solid 5 when it comes out on the PS4.